Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to combine multiple photo into one Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a multiple photo. Simply hold Control for select multiple or select all. Hold Shift. Click the last layer. You can select. Then right click. See this link layers. Click link layers. Okay. Now we can see this combine multiple photo into one, or again right click on your mouse, Mars layer, or this Mars layer. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.